What's up guys, today I'll be reviewing this baby right here. Yes, the Xiaomi 11 Lite. Though it's gonna be a mini review video, but I want you to sit tight and enjoy the ride. So without further much ado, let's dive in. Firstly, starting with the first phase, as usual, we'll be checking out the storage system. If you're watching my video, you'll know that I used to advise people to check the storage system when going for a new phone firstly. So in the Xiaomi 11 Lite, it features a 128 gig ROM for storing any kind of files you want to store and an 8 gig RAM. Moving on to the second phase, we're checking out the powerhouse of the Xiaomi 11 Lite. The Xiaomi 11 Lite has a 4250 mAh battery, while it has a 33 watts charging capability. It is powered by the Snapdragon 778. Its operating system is Android 11. Checking out the display of the Xiaomi 11 Lite, this phone features a AMOLED display technology, 90Hz refresh rate and a 6.5-inch screen size. Lest I forget, we'll be checking out the camera compartment of the Xiaomi 11 Lite. The Xiaomi 11 Lite camera features a 64 megapixel main camera, 20 megapixel front camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and 2 megapixel telemacro lens. You can shoot 4K videos at 30 and 60 frame rates per second. So I draw the curtain for the mini review of this phone, that's the Xiaomi 11 Lite. If you like my content, please do subscribe to my channel. Until we see again friends, put profit share.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head